The ultimate Fnchaptercom free V-Bucks scam review. Fnchaptercom tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're searching for free V-Bucks, most people at this run by trusting sites that promise instant currency. The surprising truth about Fnchaptercom is that it is often flagged as a scam or unreliable source, and using it could put your account at risk. First, understand the risks. You won't believe how common account hacks and phishing are with these sites. Providing your Fortnite login or personal info can result in stolen accounts or malware infections. Next, look for legitimate alternatives. Most people get this wrong by ignoring Epic Games' official channels. Free V-Bucks are only safely available through in-game events, promotions, or verified giveaways by Epic. Check user reviews and forums. The surprising truth is that communities often report scams like Fnchaptercom and share safer ways to earn rewards. Listening to experienced players helps you avoid wasted time and security risks. Finally, focus on safe earning strategies. You won't believe how much you can gain legitimately. Participate in seasonal Fortnite events, complete Battle Pass challenges, or enter verified Epic giveaways. These methods ensure your account remains safe while still earning rewards. In conclusion, Fnchaptercom is not a reliable way to get free V-Bucks. By recognizing risks, relying on official channels, checking reviews, and following safe strategies, you can protect your account and still enjoy Fortnite rewards. Smart decisions prevent frustration and keep your gaming experience secure.